Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. To increase the lifespan of your bulbs, we suggest never touching the glass with your bare fingers. If you have to do so, do it with thoroughly cleaned hands before putting them back. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. Remove the 3 outer lamp fixing screws using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket. The light is held in place by plastic studs encased directly into the car body. Use a cloth, fold it in two, place it on the joint between the light and the car body. Insert a medium-sized flathead screwdriver and lever so the light comes out. Extract the light box by pulling it towards you. Take out the power connector. To do this, push on the small plastic tab and simultaneously pull on the terminal. Using a flathead screwdriver, unscrew the 4 screws on the bulb connector board, then remove it. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a 1/4 turn.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new bulbs. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. To reassemble it, carefully position the board, then screw the 4 screws back in. You can then reconnect the connector. Put the light back in its housing. Screw the 3 screws holding the headlight back in place. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.